Hey guys, how's it going? It's Princess Jade here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on my Stealth Viking bags for my 2023 Harley Davidson Lowrider S and a quick walkthrough on how easy it is to install and mount them. First things first, you're going to need to get your tools set aside. All you need is 5 items: a ratchet, a torque bit, an Allen, an open-ended wrench, and some Loctite to get the job done. Sorry I don't remember the sizes, but I know y'all are capable enough to figure it out. First, remove the 4 stock bolts with the torque bit. Set those aside, then switch over to your Allen to install the new bolts and spacers. Make sure you add a drop of Loctite to the tip before screwing them in. Then tighten in place with the open-ended wrench. Once you get all 4 locked in, then you're ready to mount the bags in place. Located on the inside is a quick release latch, and it's protected by a Velcro strap so you don't accidentally pop it off while riding. They're heavy duty and can fit everything you'd need on your travels or everyday necessities. I like to keep some tools, my 360 camera, a waterproof bike cover, and a hoodie for when it gets cold. But it can fit so much more. You can put multiple water bottles, a few days outfits, all the junk in your boyfriend's pockets that he doesn't want to take on the bike, or just your favorite cowboy hat and some snacks. So if you're thinking about getting some bags, head on over to vikingbags.com and go check out what they've got.